G'day, Damon here, Rocky Auto. Currently working on a 2016 V-Rod with wiring the front indicators, remedying a voltage issue so the alternator's not charging, and also the ABS lights on. So customer supplied front indicators, which we've wired in with twin core wiring down through the bars to exit down here. Run that down, replace the Deutsch plug on the front turn signal module, and that gives us daytime running lamps and also indicator. And for the charging issue, we checked all the fuses after removing all the covers. Fortunately, we'd had a T in here for the battery charger so we could check the battery voltage directly, and we were only getting 12 volts. So we removed the voltage regulator and we checked the 3 wires to the stator. Each of those 3 wires had 0.3 of an ohm, which checks out okay. Saves removing the stator, which is embedded in here. We also checked that we were getting 12 volts and a good ground through the main battery connection. So as you can see, we have replaced the voltage regulator. This one has seen plenty of gravel rash. There's quite a bit of corrosion on the terminal also, so we'll clean that with contact cleaner. And we've started the bike and we're now getting 14 volts at the battery. So we'll clear all the ABS fault codes, and with a bit of luck, that's the whole problem sorted.